Hello everyone. Today we continue exercise 3.2. We have already discussed first 5 questions of it. So first we start our fourth question. In first question we have discussed addition. In second question multiplication also. In third question also same concept. Now we start the fourth one. In fourth one, first is 1, 2 minus 3. Matrix A is given. B is given 5, 0, 2 and 1 minus 1, 1. Similarly, B will be 3 minus 1, 2, 4, 2, 5 and 2, 0, 3. And C will be given 4, 1, 2, 3, 2 and 1 minus 2, 3. Now what is your question? Your first question is A plus B. Second is B minus C. And you have to verify one more result. So let's first find out A plus B. What is your A plus B? 1 and 3. Now I think it will be more clear to you. 2 minus 1 is 1 and minus 3 plus 2 will be minus 1. 4 and 5, 9. 0 plus 2 will be 2 and 2 and 5 will be 7. Now 1 and 2, 3, minus 1 and 0, minus 1 and 1 plus 3 will be 4. Now second result you have to find B minus C. So subtraction of B and C. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 will be minus 2. 2 minus 2. So 0. 4 minus 0. 4. 2 minus 3. Minus 1. 5 minus 2. 3. 2 minus 1. 1. 0 minus 2 will be plus 2 and 3 minus 3 is 0. Now one more result you have to verify, that is A plus B minus C equal to A plus B minus C. Now we have already B minus C here. So let's add in A. A is 1, 2 minus 3, 5, 0, 2 and 1 minus 1, 1. And B minus C, minus 1, minus 2, 0, 4 minus 1, 3 and 1, 2, 0. Now add it. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Minus 3 plus 0 is 3. 4 and 5, 9. 0 minus 1, minus 1. 2 and 3, 5. 1 plus 1, 2. Minus 1 plus 2, 1 and 1 plus 0 is 1. Second result you have to find A plus B minus C. We have already A plus B. So let's write it directly. Minus. Now C you know. 4, 1, 2, 0, 3, 2, 1 minus 2, 3. Simplify it. 4 minus 4, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 1 minus 2 will be minus 3. 9 minus 0 is 9. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 7 minus 2 is 5. 3 minus 1 is 2. Minus 1 minus plus 2 is 1 and 4 minus 3 also 1. Check. 0, 0 minus 3 first row. 9 minus 1, 5 second row same. And 2, 1, 1 third row. 2, 1, 1 is your third row. So our first question, A plus B you have to find, B minus C, and then you have to verify this result. So A plus B minus C equal to A plus B minus C. Simple addition subtraction is that. So it will be easy and more clear to you. Now let's see fifth question. In fifth question, numbers are given 2 by 3, 1, 5 by 3. Then 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 4 by 3, 7 by 3, 2, 2 by 3. And B is given 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 1. 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 4 by 5. Then 7 by 5, 6 by 5 and 2 by 5. Now what you have to find? 3A minus 5B. What is the meaning of it? First we have to multiply matrix A with 3, matrix B with 5 and then we have to subtract it. So let's write 3 into 2 by 3, 1, 5 by 3. 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 4 by 3, 7 by 3, 2, 2 by 3. Similarly, minus 5 into b will be 2 by 5, 3 by 5 and 1, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 4 by 5, 7 by 5, 6 by 5 and 2 by 5. Let's take these 3 inside and here 5 inside the matrix. So what you will get? 3 3 cancel, 2. 3 ones are 3. 3 into 5 by 3, 5. 3 into 1 by 3, 1. 3 into 2 by 3, 2. 3 into 4 by 3, 4. Similarly, 7 by 3 into 3, 7. 3 2s are 6 and 2. 3 3 cancel. Similarly, let's take 5 inside. So 2 by 5 and 5 cancel, 2 is remaining. Here 3 and last 5 ones are 5. 2 by 5 and 1 by 5, 1. 5 into 2 by 5, 2 and 4 by 5 means 4. Similarly, 7, 6 and 2. Now you know the subtraction of it. 2 minus 2, 0, 3 minus 3, 0 and 5 minus 5, 0. 1 minus 1, 0, 2 minus 2, 0, 4 minus 4, 0. 7 minus 7, 0, 6 minus 6 and 2 minus 2. So, answer of this question is 0. Because we are getting as an answer 0 matrix. So, your answer is 0. Now, let's see the 6th question. Your second matrix is sin theta minus cos theta and sin theta. First of all, one simple concept. Here we have to take cos inside and here we have to take sin. That can be said multiplication with scalar. Cos into cos will be cos square theta. Cos into sin will be cos theta sin theta. Similar way, cos theta into minus sin theta and cos into cos. Okay, same way let's take sin theta inside the second matrix. So sin into sin, sin square theta. Sin into cos with minus sin, so sin theta, cos theta. Sin into cos, so cos theta into sin theta. And last sin into sin will be sin square. Now let's add it. Sin square plus cos square. Second, plus or minus sin cos. So sin theta cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. Similar way, again same, cos theta sin theta plus cos theta sin theta. Sin are different, so you can cancel it. Now you know the identity, cos square plus sin square is 1. Plus or minus cos sin cancel, here also plus or minus, and again cos square plus sin square will be 1. So what you are getting? I2. Answer is 1001. So 2 by 2 identity matrix. This is your question number 6. Now let's see the second next one. In 7th one you have given x plus y. That is your 7025. And second is given x minus y. That is 3003. Now you have to find in this x and y. We have already discussed one question of the same method, that when you add both together, so plus or minus y will be cancelled, 2x will be 7 and 3, 10, 0 plus 0, 0, 2 plus 0, 2 and 5 and 3, 8. Now this is for 2x, so x will be divided by 2. When you divide by 2, this will be 5, 10 became 5 because 10 by 2 is 5, 2 by 2 1, 0 by 2 0 and 4 by 8 by 2 is 4. Same way, let's take subtraction of these two. So x plus y 7025, x minus y equal to 3003. Let's take subtraction, minus, minus, plus, minus. So these two cancel, 2y will be 7 minus, we have to subtract, so 4, 0 minus 0, 0, 2 minus 0, 2 and 5 minus 3 again 2. This is also 2y. So when you want to find y, divide by 2, 2011. So now your x will be 5014 and y will be 2011. Same way, your 8th question also given, but the numbers are not given with x and y. It is given with 2x and 3y. 2x plus 3y is 2340. And second equation, 3x plus 2y is 2 minus 2 minus 1 and 5. Now check this two equation. If we want to remove y, your first equation, this is your second. So first will be multiplied. Equation 1 will be multiplied with 2 and equation 2 will be multiplied with 3 and then subtraction of these two. So let's see, 2 2s are 4x plus 3 2s are 6y. Let's multiply all the terms with 2. Similarly, second will be multiplied with 3. So 9x, 3 2s are 6y and 6 minus 6 minus 3 and 10. Now subtraction of it. So let's subtract. These two cancel. 4 minus 9 will be minus 5x. Now subtract it. 4 minus 6 will be minus 2. 6 minus minus plus will be 12. 8 minus minus plus 3 will be 11 and then 0 minus 10 will be minus 10. Now you have to divide with on place of 5. We divide directly by minus 5. So you will get your x. Same way, if you want to remove x now, then what to do? Equation number 1 multiply with 3 and equation number 2 multiply with 2. So what you will get? 3 2s are 6x plus 6y. When you multiply with 3, so 6x plus 9y. Let's multiply this with 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12 and 0. Similarly, second equation will be multiplied with 2. So 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4y. And equation again, matrix also multiply with 2. Now simple, again subtraction of it. So this will be cancelled. You will get 5y equal to 6 minus 4 will be 2, 9 minus minus plus 4 will be 13, 12 minus minus plus will be 214 and this will be minus 10 subtraction. Now again divide for y also by 2. So you will get your x and y. This way we can reduce the equation and we get the value of x and y. Let's see the next question. Y matrix is given and another relation is given, 2x plus y equal to 1 0 minus 3 2 and you have to find x. So when you want to find x, first we put up the value of y here. So 2x plus 3 2 1 4 equal to 1 0 minus 3 2. Now we will shift this matrix here. So when you shift matrix, sign will be changed and now we will write with minus sign. Okay, let's subtract it. 1 minus 3, minus 2, 0 minus 2, again minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 4, and 2 minus 4 will be minus 2. Now we are getting for 2x, but you want for x. So we will divide matrix with 2. So x will be minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1. You can take minus sign outside also. So you can write like this. So this is your matrix X, which one you have to find. Let's see the next question. Here we have given 4 unknown numbers x, y, z and t. Same way matrix, second matrix is given this, and it's equal to, we have given this matrix. Now we have to find all these constant terms. So let's see, first we will start, we are taking 2 inside. Okay, here we are taking 3 inside. So 3 minus 3, 0 and 6. 3 2s are 6. Here we are taking 3. 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15, 4 3s are 12 and 6 3s are 18. Now let's make equation. First equation 2x plus 3 equal to 9. Second equation 2z plus minus 3 equal to 15. Third equation 2y plus 0 equal to 12, and last equation 2t plus 6 equal to 18. Let's shift these 3 on the side of 9, so it became 6 and your x will be 3 2s are 6. 2z, let's shift 3 here. So 15 and 3 18, so that's why your z will be 9 2s are 18. Now here 0 only, so 2y equal to 12. That's why your y will be 6. And last 2t equal to 18 minus 6 means 12. So t will be 6. We have to find 4 constant x, y, z and t. So your answer will be x is 3, y will be 6, z will be 9 and t will be 6. This way we are getting all 4 constant. So we have completed total 10 question of exercise 3.2. So for today we stop here. Thank you very much, and in next lesson we will discuss with 11th example. Thank you.